Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's Mardi Gras season. Time to take a trip to one of my favorite cities in the country, New Orleans. I just love Mardi Gras, the parades, all the bees. It's amazing. So today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all some New Orleans beignets. And beignets are square-shaped French donuts. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. We're going to fry them to golden perfection. And the best part, no kneading required. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And we're going to coat them in lots and lots of powdered sugar. Let the good times roll. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Cajun Creole recipes playlist from seafood gumbo to shrimp and sausage jambalaya. And my previous video, Southern Fried Deviled Eggs. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your powdered sugar, and heat up some oil sugar because we're about to fry some beignet magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 4½ cups of bread flour. And into our bread flour, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of baking powder and 2 1/4 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to whisk all this together until it's well incorporated. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1/4 cup of warm water, and I let it come up to 110 degrees. And we're going to add in 1 package of active dry yeast. And make sure your water is real warm. You don't want it too hot, otherwise it'll kill the yeast. Give it a quick stir. And all we do is let it sit until the yeast bubble up and risen. Alright my friends, our yeast has risen. And I forgot to mention, I added 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to the yeast to help feed it. Into our yeast, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 large egg at room temperature, 1 cup of evaporated milk, my favorite ingredient. And we're going to start with 2 cups of our dry ingredients. And we're going to mix these on medium speed until it's well combined. Alright, now we're ready to add in the rest of the dry ingredients real slowly. And we're going to mix this until they're well combined. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my dough. And how simple was that? Easy peasy. So off camera, I cover my bowl with plastic wrap. And all we do is place our dough in the refrigerator. And we're going to let it sit overnight. And I'll see you tomorrow. Alright my friends, this is the next day. I'm going to punch it cold. So now I'm about to place some flour on it. Alright, so now, using my rolling pan, going to roll it to a 12 to 16 inch rectangle. Alright, so now we're going to cut it to about 2-inch squares. Cut it on the other side. Just like that, a perfect beignet. So now we're ready to fry. All right, my friends, our oil's nice and hot. Now we're ready to add in the beignets. And you don't want to overcrowd the pot. Hear that sizzle? Yeah, baby. That's what you want. Put one more in. All right, so now we're going to let our beignets fry on both sides until they're golden brown. Alrighty, my friends, have taken my beignets out of the oil. See how nice and golden brown they are? Nice and puffy. So now I'll place them on the pan lined with paper towels to drain. And over here in this bowl, I have some powdered sugar. And while they're still hot, we're just going to dunk them into the powdered sugar. Just going to coat them all over. Just like that. Doesn't that look good? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish frying the rest of my beignets and coat them in the powdered sugar, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. New Orleans Beignets. It smells heavenly. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at the texture inside. Nice and soft and perfectly cooked, bursting with flavor. This reminds me of being in New Orleans. These beignets are spot on, fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Beignet-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy Mardi Gras.